Hey, what it do, YouTube family? Handsome Mother Truckin'. We back in this mother sucker, baby. Hey, man, we just getting up. We just getting off our 10-hour reset. And, man, I'm so upset, man. I missed the party. Somebody decided to smoke some weed without your boy and didn't tell me. And they also used my trailer as the ashtray, baby. Hey, man, y'all stay tuned, man. I'm going to tell y'all all about it.
If you want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert sky. I could be the
I gotta vlog this shit, man. I gotta vlog this shit. I gotta vlog this shit, man. I gotta vlog it.
Are you vlogging?
Hell yeah.
Yo!
I gotta vlog. Hey, my YouTube channel called the Handsome Mother Trucker, right?
This ain't no handsome trucking nothing. That's some
I wasn't even gonna vlog today, but I got to. This was good content.
bullshit.
Hold on, let me set y'all up.
Since we making a negative into a positive.
Yeah, man. Let me get this out the way
Roll with life.
so we can see.
Motherfucking stack.
Yeah.
Folks wanna put everything in the middle, but you build the corners first.
Yeah.
The middle go well, you gotta put kind of lighter shit.
You gotta tell me where to put it in. Well, I wanna say probably here.
Sure, whatever you want. These light ones just go last.
So look, guys, so as you can see, we restacking the pallet. The people who wrapped this pallet, they didn't do a good job, man. They didn't stack it right, so the load shifted. And in order for us to put the thing on the truck, we gotta restack it, man, so it won't fall. So, we working overtime, baby.
Just took my overtime away.
We working overtime with no pay.
Pretty much. Not extra. To be honest, this shit 10 pounds. This shit 10 pounds. We don't have to bounce that whole thing down. That bitch halfway or some shit. Huh?
Oh yeah, cause just take it like this shit right here.
All that, this one floated it up. Huh?
Yeah.
This one we don't even have to shrink wrap. What you think? So balanced. If you want, I can.
Yeah, cause
You know
look.
what I'm saying?
It might like, yeah, bitch, you can go around and do it like you ain't gotta be.
Yeah, I got
Let me know if I'm putting this shit on the right. I don't want to. You like the last.
Yeah, we do. Let's see what else we have. Just this corner right here, bro.
Like this.
Perfect. I think. Look. Just a couple more this side. We good.
Think this should come out too, or this?
You said what?
Think this should come out for?
No, I think that whole side is good. I think we just need to get this. Wait, perfect. This one here. Perfect. Might be our last one.
I got room for them right behind this.
This little?
Whatever. Really, whatever. But you got one this side, I can probably see what I'm saying right here. Kind of put it right here and kind of, yeah. Give it a cushion back here. And so we just took some off this and put it on that pallet. We was gonna unload the whole pallet and put it over here, but instead we just took half off this one, put half on that one. And you was just gonna go around and shrink wrap it a little bit. But I'm gonna show y'all what happened though. Forklift got stuck there. or whatever. So we had to hook the chain up to the back of the forklift, hook it up to the back of the truck, you know what I'm saying, and pull the truck forward, you know what I'm saying. We pulled the forklift out, but the forklift got stuck again. He put it in reverse real fast and got on out of there. But we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's like 11 pallets or something like that. We're gonna go on here or whatever. But I wasn't even gonna vlog today, y'all. This right here was pretty much a chill day. We heading to Raleigh, North Carolina. So I mean, I guess I'm vlogging again, man. So this is currently where we are. This is the dock. This is the dock. We pretty much use an old trailer door or whatever this time to kind of get a forklift strength to get on the trailer or whatever. But after every pallet or so he put on there, it makes my trailer move forward. So after every couple of pallets, I'm gonna keep bagging back, keep bagging back, keep bagging back or whatever. Nice guy, you know what I'm saying? Nice guy, cool dude, man. He from he's Bosnia. His nationality is Bosnia, so cool guy. First time meeting somebody from way that way. I probably have never noticed, but you know, having a conversation with somebody like that first time. Situation we in, man. Caught myself trying to do a favor for another driver, man, and it ended up to be a nightmare, man. But I met somebody positive and cool at the situation, so it's all that matters, you know. We finna try to see what we can do, and I'll update y'all in a minute, baby. Peace out. All right, let's see. Let's see. Uh-oh. Got on there. Got on there. You gotta come out fast again.
Play it safe every time. Play it safe. I'm not getting stuck.
I know. Checking the distance. Checking the distance. Pretty good. Now you gotta come on off there real fast so you won't get stuck.
Rolling now.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's the other way.
Oh yeah.
Did you get that?
That's your pops right there? And Pops just pulled up. You gotta shine. You on TV. I'm gonna give you my YouTube channel before I leave though.
I'm trying. With my circumstances, I'm trying.
Hey, I think they gonna think you did pretty good. When they see you, they gonna be like, yeah, he did pretty good. Let's see. Yeah. You gotta do it real fast.
I'm just good to know, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you talking about the trailer?
Yeah.
Let down a little bit, yeah.
But I don't want to risk it.
Go move. Oh, you need this board?
Maybe I need this one. Yeah.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'll find somewhere else to put it.
Some people. You want me to bag it back now? Let me check. Well, let's start it pretty low. Looks like it's still pretty low. It is pretty. Ball two and start. Yeah, I know it's pretty low too. Oh,
got 4 more to go. Let's see. One, 2, 3, 4 more pallets, y'all.
I never lost. He finished school here. He come with 3 years.
Yeah.
They try to live with a lot of different money. I never lost. Space still good though? Yeah, it should be good now. Yeah. You want me to do it back? I think you might have lost some space. Hold on. It's not touching no more, but I think I can get out. I think when I get out, it comes back. You see, this one was touching. I can move all this. Same way? Dai. Paco. A me come strong. This is strong. Strong. Uma vez. Come on now.
Last one, y'all. Last one. You gonna put that one in the middle, like in the center.
You got straps, right?
I ain't gonna be able to tie it down no more tonight. It ain't got no more house. It got low ball. All right, guys, we did it. We got it all loaded. Got it secured with the load bar. Now we can head to Charlotte, baby. Let's roll. All right, what it do, YouTube family, man? Look, how about right? I'm doing my pre-trip inspection, right? And I get to the back of my cab. Get what I see, y'all. Now, this one on my trailer yesterday now. It all, of course, you know, so I was in transit with it. I closed my door yesterday. I parked, did my post-trip and everything. But look what's on the back of my trailer, man. Somebody just decided to use my trailer as an ad tray, baby. Look at this shit. A whole joint, y'all. It's a roach now, but somebody decided to freaking smoke on my trailer. Use my trailer and put their weed out with it. Now, when I started driving, of course, it was gonna move or whatever. It was gonna fly out because it ain't nothing but a little piece of, you know, weed rolled up in some joint paper or whatever. But it's like, damn, man, like, this how y'all feel? You know what I'm saying? Like, this how y'all feel. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy, but Good, man. That's why you gotta do your your pre-trip inspections, man. Don't just take off, man. Don't just take off. I just looked at my little trailer door right there. Shit, make sure I ain't putting nothing else in it, man. All right, so I'm gonna leave that right there. It's gonna roll off. I ain't even finna touch it, man. You hear me? I ain't even finna touch it. It's gonna roll off when I start driving. It's crazy though, bro. I just wanted to show y'all folks it, man. Found some marijuana on the back of my trailer, boy.